Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated camera releases of 2025, the Sony A7V. If you're a photographer, filmmaker, or hybrid shooter, you're going to want to pay close attention. In this in-depth video, we're covering everything you need to know, the full background, all the latest leaks and rumors, the top 10 new features expected, pricing insights, and of course, the release date predictions. Whether you're upgrading from the A7 III or wondering if it's worth jumping in over the A7, for this is the video for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Background. The rise of the Sony A7 series. The A7 series is Sony's full-frame mirrorless line that focuses on a balance between photo and video, what we call the true hybrid shooters. The original A7 was launched in 2013. Then came the A7 II in 2014, A7 III in 2018, which redefined what a $2,000 camera could do, and the A7IV in 2021, which introduced 10-bit video, improved autofocus, and higher resolution now. The A7V is expected to bridge the gap between the A7 IV and the more advanced A7RV and Sony A1, bringing flagship features to a mid-range body, leaks, and rumors. What the industry is saying, multiple industry insiders have begun leaking information about the Sony A7V. And here's what's being reported: a new 3.6 MP stacked BSI sensor is in development. It may feature real-time AI autofocus, similar to the A7RV, but even faster. 4K. Video at 120 fps with full pixel readout and no crop. Dual Express Type A and SD card slots. A. Passive and active cooling hybrid system like the FX3 and A1. USB 4.0. For faster tethering and live streaming, new menu system with an even more intuitive UI. Improved IBIS in-body image stabilization. With AI assistance. Live streaming ready via unbloodified. IISISIBS UNED RAD NFNNNIN at NFS FN NFAS side of ad dot and y by bond by data was sada was bid us data what that bad UVC, UAC, out of the box, possibly a removable EVF module, less likely, but floated by patent watchers. Some of these are confirmed by Sony patent filings, while others have been reported by tech influencers and trusted sources on platforms like top 10 new features in Sony A7V1, 3.6 MP stacked BSI sensor faster, readout speeds. Better low light and less rolling shutter, ideal for hybrid shooters needing sharp stills and cinematic video too. 4K 120p. With no crop, full frame 4K at 120 fps, great. For slow motion, internal, 10-bit 4222 recording. 3. Dual Express Type A SD slots. High-speed recording. Redundancy for professional workflows. Supports Alintra in H.265. COT. 4. Next-gen AI autofocus system tracks humans, animals, birds, cars, insects. Deep learning derived from A7RV. Subject recognition even in low light. 0.5. Passive and active cooling system borrowed from FX3. Longer recording times. No overheating during long 4K shoots. 0.6. Upgraded 9.44 m. OLED EVF ultra clear live view. Higher refresh rate. Possibly removable in some configurations. 7. Fully articulated 3.2-inch touchscreen, brighter and sharper, enhanced touch controls. Live streaming friendly. 8. Improved IBIS with AI enhancements. PUP 2. 8 stops of stabilization. Great for handheld video, works in tandem with lens. OSS.9, USB 4.0, and UVC. Support fast data transfer. Instant webcam capability. Live streaming with 0. Setup 10 revamped menu system and Cinetone profiles. Ain't easier to navigate. Touch optimized built-in Cinetone for cinematic video without. Price predictions: the Sony A7 III launched at around $1,999. The A7 IV came in at $2,499. Given the rumored features and inflation, the Sony A7V is expected to be priced between $2,699 and $2,999. USD body only. This positions it below the A7RV, $3,899, and well below the A1, $6,499, but slightly above the A7IV, justifying the new stacked sensor, AIAF, and better video capabilities. Expected release date based on Sony's release cycle and insider reports. The A7V is likely to be announced in Q4 2025, possibly in October or early November. Pre-orders would open immediately, shipments starting before the holiday season. Sony may unveil it during their annual fall imaging event or a dedicated DUT alpha announcement livestream. To wrap it all up, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be the most powerful mid-range full-frame hybrid camera Sony has ever released. From its new 36MP stacked sensor to 4K 120, AI autofocus, and dual card slots, it's built for creators who demand flexibility. Whether you're shooting weddings, YouTube content, documentaries, or high-end stills, the A7V may just be the perfect balance of power and price. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more in-depth camera coverage and hands-on reviews. Hit the bell so you don't miss our full A7V review when it drops. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.